Gail Goole here, and you are listening to Generative Engine Optimization in the AI Era, Decoding SEO 2.0.
And I'm Guy Goole. Welcome to the show, proudly sponsored by 3 Steps, Digital Brand Management, a CaliCube certified agency.
Now let's dive right in and decode.
Okay, so let's get into this because it's a really big deal. AI. It's not like old search, is it? It's not just links anymore.
No, not at all. It's more like having a conversation with an advisor, someone you trust. And these AIs, they're starting to actually recommend specific people, specific brands.
Exactly. That's the key shift. We saw this great example, right? The CEO chatting with something like ChatGPT.
Yeah, and they ask, hey, recommend an executive coach, specifically for their situation running a $5 million business.
And bam, the AI doesn't just give a list. It gives a name, a bio. It's like a direct introduction right then and there.
Think about that. That's not just website traffic. That's a top-tier lead handed over exactly when they're ready to decide. Seriously powerful. The AI is basically saying, this is the person. And it's happening now on Google, Gemini, ChatGPT, Perplexity, everywhere.
So the big question, the one everyone needs to ask, is how do you become that person the AI picks?
Right. And there's a methodology emerging for this. The sources mention something called the CaliCube process, often linked with Jason Barnard's work.
Yes. It's all about making your brand, friendly to these algorithms, not just ranked, but actually recommended. And it seems to boil down to 3 main ideas, 3 pillars.
First up is understandability. This is like step 1, foundational stuff. The AI needs the basic facts. Who you are, what you actually do, who you help.
And it's not just keywords, right? It's deeper, like having a central place, an entity home, maybe a page on your site structured so the machines get it, using things like schema markup.
Exactly. And making sure everything else online, your whole digital footprint, tells the same story. Consistently. That's how the AI learns to know you as a distinct thing, an entity.
Okay, so the AI knows you. But does it trust you? That's the next bit, isn't it? Credibility. Big time. This ties into stuff like Google's EEAT, expertise, experience, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. It's about proof.
Proof points, like what? Clients, awards?
Yeah, all that. Clients, awards, your education, reviews obviously getting mentioned on other trusted websites. These signals tell the AI, okay, this person, this brand, they're legit, they're credible. It gets the AI to trust you.
Makes sense. Know you, trust you. What's the third pillar?
Deliverability. So the AI knows you trust you, but can it actually find and present your expertise when someone asks the right question?
So it's about having your knowledge out there in the right places.
Precisely. Your own site. Yeah, that's important. But also other places. Think articles on industry sites, podcast interviews, YouTube videos. The AI looks everywhere. Your expertise needs to be discoverable across the web so it can pull it into its answers and actually recommend you.
So this whole generative engine optimization thing, it really is different. You're not just matching keywords. You're teaching the AI that you are the answer.
And when it recommends you, you get that AI's authority behind you. Leads, real leads, not just clicks. It's a game changer.
You're listening to Generative Engine Optimization in the AI Era, Decoding SEO 2.0.
Okay, so listening to all this, you're probably thinking, well, where do I stand?
Right.
Yeah.
How do you check? There's actually a pretty simple way to get a quick idea. Try asking the AIs about yourself.
Good point. But here's a key tip. Make sure you're signed out of your accounts first. Log out of Google, ChatGPT, whatever.
Oh, right. Because otherwise, it might just tailor the results to you based on your history.
Exactly. You want to see what the AI thinks more generally.
Yeah.
So sign out. Then ask it about you. Maybe ask about some well-known people in your field, your competitors.
The sources gave that prompt example, didn't they? Like, rank these experts for personal brand optimization. And it listed names like Jason Barnard, Neil Patel.
Yeah, see how it handles those names. Then ask about you specifically. Does it mention you? Does it recommend you for what you do? Are you showing up where your competitors are?
Because if you're not the one being recommended right now, well, you could be missing out on those amazing introductions happening in AI chats every day.
And this is the really cool part, the provocative bit. If you're not there now, it's not set in stone. You can influence this.
How?
By focusing on making your brand algorithm friendly, using methods like the ones we discussed, like the CaliCube process. Train the AI. Teach it that you're the expert, you're the solution. That's how you become the recommendation.
We dived, decoded, and deciphered generative engine optimization in the AI era, decoding SEO 2.0. Oh, thanks to our sponsor, 3 Steps Digital Brand Management.
Oh, thanks to our sponsor, 3 Steps Digital Brand Management.
And thank you for listening. See you next time for another new necessary nugget of knowledge.